It smells so amazing and
It's too sweet.
hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Mom with a Camera. So for people who are new here, hi, my name is Akila Arunitan. I post a video every single week without fail. So please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. What are these two jars doing in front of me? Okay, you have already read the title, what I'm going to do today. Yes, it's the most awaited video. A lot of you guys have asked me, Chichi, what happened to the wine tasting video? It's finally happening today, guys. I'm going to do it with you guys as promised. So it's been around 5 months. Oh my god, I actually thought of taking this wine after 20 days. I made this in December and during Christmas, before Christmas, and I thought, after 20 days I'm going to take it out, but then it's been around 5 months. 5 to 6 months, and if you keep the wine for longer it tastes better. So it's been 5 to 6 months and I can't wait to taste it. As promised, I'm doing it with you guys itself. So I have made two kinds of wine. One is gooseberry, one is grape wine, or either ways, I'm not sure which one I put in what. So this is how it is. So if you guys have seen my video of making the wine, I put in a lot of content and it needed to be mixed properly. So adane vendi, I actually, for I think 2 weeks continuously, I used to open it every day and I used to stir it well, both the containers. So I will show you how it goes. This is day 1. We have removed the cover and oh, I wish you guys could even smell this. It smells like wine already. Followed that process only for around 2 weeks because when on the last day of mixing, I actually saw that everything was well. It's all, it was all mixed well. So I didn't continue after that. So I just kept it as it is for 5-6 months. And I'm super excited to open it. I think let me go ahead and open it. Okay, one more thing. These are 5-liter jars and I'm not going to extract the entire wine because we won't be able to finish it, of course. So what I'm planning to do is I'm not extracting the entire thing. Like if at all you want to, if you guys are planning to do, all you guys need is this. Put in all the wine here. If it's a grape wine, try to squeeze it, crush it so that all the entire wine comes. So that's the simple way you guys can do. So I am going to take only little wine in these kind of bottles and I'm going to fill it. I don't know, one for each, and then I am going to keep it again for how many ever months I feel like. Okay, so I think I'm not going to talk much. So let me go ahead and take the wine. I'm not sure how it is going to look as well. So oh my god. Okay, this is grape wine. It smells so amazing and I think it's strong as well. I'm not sure, but the smell is amazing. Nelikya wine. Oh my god. This has a little bit of, I don't know, I think it can be bitter. Oh, it smells very, very strong. I wish I could, like, even I wish you guys could also smell this. But let me show you how it looks, okay? Okay, so that was a close-up look. Now let me actually take out a tavi, a spoon, and kind of mix it well for the last time this time. So let me start off with grapes. Well, oh, the smell is so amazing. Oh god, you can see the grapes. Strong, guys, it's strong. It is pretty strong, and it's going to be yum because it is sweet wine. Okay, so I'm starting off with the grapes. So what I'm going to do is, obviously, as I said, I'm not going to take the entire thing, and I'm going to keep the grapes as it is in it. So I'm taking a jar. Not sure if this is going to fit, and I'm just going to extract it in this, and then I'm going to pour it into the bottle. Ooh, 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 I'm super, super excited. Wow, wow, wow. I can't wait to taste it. It's gonna be super yum. I love sweet wine. My mom also makes wine at home, so as I said, I've not squeezed this. I'm going to keep it back inside this so that next time when I open, it's gonna be even more yum. Okay, I can't wait to actually where do I put this? There's another container here, so I'm gonna put in that. So I have the bottle here, and I'm going to put it inside this, and it might drop, it might spill. Let me see if I am very, very good at it. Woohoo! Okay, I don't want to waste the wine. I don't have a funnel. Interesting. Some DIYs right now. Okay, I think I'm going to do a DIY, and I shall show you what I do. Okay, the simplest DIY which I could think of is take a bottle and just cut it and you get a funnel. Woohoo! Clap for me, guys. So yeah, anyways, let me see if this is going to work. Was pretty much simple. So now let me continue again. Up in the brain. Okay. Uh-oh. We are in trouble. I don't like wasting wine. The grape wine, and I'm sure remembering grape wine by closing it with a black. let's get on to the other one. Before that, let me just wash my hand. Okay, one wine ready. Let's get on to the other one. Before that, let's shut this and see you guys after a few months. The next one. Okay. If you guys want to see the gooseberry state, it's become black or dark green in color. One second. Don't drip. Oh, it's dripping. I'm sitting down, guys. My legs are paining. Come on. I want a funnel. It would have been so much more easier. Can I taste it little in my hand? Can I? Will be cheating? No. Okay, there's not much for me to taste. Let's see. Guys, and I'm super proud of myself for not making the wine, but my hands are very sturdy in terms of the funnel. Okay. Ooh, that is my Nellikia wine. I am done finally extracting the wine from the jar, and I'm super happy and it smells good. Little bit I tasted of this gooseberry one. It's a little bit khatta, you can say, but I want to taste it properly, not by a drop, because I don't know why. So if you can see the color difference, this is absolutely black and this is kind of brown, so you can make out the difference. This is gooseberry and this is grape wine. So let me taste. So let me call my husband as well. One more feedback is always good, and you guys can also check it out if you like the feedback from both of us. So let's go, hurry and taste the wine. I'm super excited. Taste the wine. This is the gooseberry wine. This is the grape wine. I'm taking the safe option and I'm going to taste the grape wine first. You can taste the gooseberry one. And how does it smell?
It's fruity smell.
Fruity smell. No, but it has a very, very strong, like I can't think of an English name, kashayam smell. English
That Ayurveda.
Yeah, Ayurveda medicines you have, right? It smells like that. So let's cheers and let's taste the wine. This is very, very sweet. I really like the grape wine.
I'm confused what taste it is. I think it's not that sweet.
That sounds sweet. That's jaggery.
Yeah, not that sweet. It's quite good. Quite good.
This is so yum. The grape wine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's exchange. Let me taste the Nellikia one. Okay.
It's too sweet.
This is so kashayam.
That's better.
I like grape. I like this better.
damn sweet.
Oh, I like grape any day better. This is not that sweet. So
Yeah.
it's
I mean,
like
this tastes more like wine. That tastes more like grape juice. So,
this is like kashayam.
yeah, generally wine tastes like that.
No, but this is also nice. It's not like bad. I can have these two. These two are really good. It's yummy.
She's saying this is better, but she keeps having this.
I think I'm gonna mix this, but there's no high, there's no kick. It's like normal wine. You can have this like small quantities whenever you want. Hello.
Yeah.
If my mom is watching this, she knows who's gonna finish the bottle because I really like homemade wine. ഞാൻ കുടിച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കും. You want? It's super yum, guys. You guys should also try it, and that's it. It's so super yum. I think I'll keep having, and I wouldn't be talking much. So I'm going to continue drinking this. So see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys next week. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.